Hey guys, we're up to the cards. So we've got all sorts of cards here. We're going to do basically the same thing. Put them in bags, boxes and stuff like that. You watch me aggressively attack this and just go snap like that. I'm probably going to break it, but there you go. All right, look at these. These are called Colossus cards. Aren't they cool? There's a full, I think it's a full set there. Clyde Caldwell. I like these. So we're going to change the bags on them. I'm going to go through these here though, because there's too much to look at. But they're colossal. Look at that. That's cool. Look at that one. Werewolf. That's cool. This reminds me of a guy called Boris. He used to paint the like the cover of Ultimate Sin album for Ozzy Osbourne and shit like that.
Are you taking them all out of these?
Yep. Yeah. Do you think we should? Or do you think they look good enough anyway? I think we should, in case it rains. Those bags, they can't get wet. Oh, look at that one. Cool, man.
You probably just put them straight in there, in them.
Would that be quicker?
Probably not.
No, take them out. There's a lot. So I'll probably do these, what, for $5 each?
Yeah.
Well, some of them like 27, 30 bucks each, so looking at the net. Oh, that's stuck together. Well, it's like a photo. It's weird, look at that.
Oh.
It's like a mixture of both forms. Man, these are trippy. Let's do something. Look at this one here. It's got like people in a fancy world. I don't know if they're, you know, like anybody of any note. Ah. Man, I like this sort of shit. That's cool. Skeleton. They're very cool. Very cool. These ones sort of stuck. Ooh, she's a bit nudie Rudy. That's cool. It's like Conan killing a beast or something. The Viking dude. Dan's Viking, and he's part Viking. Oh, what part? Oh, it says a few of them, Scoop. God, we got some cards, eh? Look at this here. Gold Coast Seagull Sons. So that's an old set, that, because so I think that's 95. There's a huge big set of them here. We got some Yu-Gi-Ohs in here. Nothing great. It's like a work set sort of thing. We got Robin Hood. It's a full set Robin Hoods. There's still in the past. There's Morbius. Or Mobia. I don't know who the hell that is. It says, oh, this looks like, I don't know what this is. I think they're all different. Alice in Wonderland. Okay, it's like a set of different ones. From all Disney movies. Yeah, Lady and the Tramp. Then you got Ursula. Oh no, that's just a random. And Pinocchio. Are they all Pinocchio? Yep. Was that Pinocchio? Oh, that's Pinocchio. Is she in Pinocchio? I don't remember her. Yeah, it's got Pinocchio. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I guess so. Yeah, it's Pinocchio the boy. I've never seen that film. Never seen it. Don't know what it is. Little Mermaid. What we're doing is we're putting them into bags like this. That's Thomas the Tank, all their cards. This one here is, that's all Flintstones. That's pretty cool. That's Lucy Ball. They're all stamps. They're Australian stamps, I think. These are all, these are art. The design of Star Wars. So they're like art cards for all Star Wars. They're pretty cool, aren't they? There's a lot of them. Yeah, so I'll grab that lot and put them in one of these snap locks. Because we're worried about the bloody rain. Aren't we, Scoob? Scooby's not really that concerned.
None of my stuff don't get too bad.
You're not bringing any stuff this time.
That's right.
He's going to bring some, but he doesn't know it yet. It's like pulling teeth, mate. Getting this fella to part with anything. And not only that, like we're sitting, we're doing stuff like this, and you'll go, that's mine. He did it yesterday with 2 little ponies. I'm like, what do you want with little ponies? He goes, they're for my, and we're like, are you a brony? He's like, I'm not a brony. I'm like, well, yeah, you could be. These are more art cards, you know, those magic sort of things. Not magic, but, you know, like artisty ones. Jeez, these have never been unstuck. You know, you can, look, they're all like, that's never been done to them. Until I just did it. Oh, my God. I hope these bloody sell, because this is taking fucking forever. we might, yeah, they're like, they're not the good ones. Yeah, they're good ones. Life with Papa. This looks like Pepe Le Pew, doesn't it? Yeah, so there's a lot. There's a lot, as you can bloody see. Oh, there's some Bakelite. Probably shouldn't go on top of the cast. There's some Bakelite pieces that I've done. They go in here. This phone, and anyway, that's something else we'll show you later. I'm just trying to put them into bags right now and show you what there is. What there is. What's this? I thought this is cards, but it's not. I think this is matchboxes. Yeah, look at that. It's a big matchbox. And then little matchboxes underneath there. It's kind of cute. Every home needs one. No, they don't. Well, it's good to have matches, isn't it? That's going to be rude then. But I'm not. What do we got here? What are these ones? Oh. Ron Miller's Firebrands. Heroines of Science Fiction and Fantasy. These, again, have never been looked at. Looks like she's howling at the moon. These are cool. These are like somebody's drawings. And I've never heard of this fella, but obviously he's well enough or known enough to get bloody cards, mate, isn't he? So he's into that, so it's, what do you call that sort of genre, mate? What do you call that? Sci-fi? Fantasy? You like it? Why do you like it, Scoob? He's not going to tell you why. There's a particular type of... There's a particular type of ladies in Scooby's life. Particular genre, shall we say, of women who he, you know, he likes. And they like that stuff. So he likes that stuff. No, that's not true. You're an emo boy from way back, aren't you? Yeah. Well, no, it's not legend. That's what you fucking told me. Oh, fuck, I'm coughing. Oh, what are these? This is more Star Warsy ones. No, this is Casper. Oh, they're cool, aren't they? Look at the class of them cards. Casper the Friendly Ghost. I want throwing these in there without writing on what they are. That's going to be fun for you, Scoob. I don't want to play anymore. I
quit.
Where's your badge?
Where's my badge?
Where's your I gave him an I quit badge yesterday. He loves it. Because he quit. These Casper cards look good. It's good. They're a quality card. And we like quality, don't we?
We do.
Geez, there's a lot in there, mate. I was saying we haven't got many cards.
A lot of cards or a lot of quality?
Both. You don't need to knock them around though, mate. All right? Don't start throwing your weight around.
Good one. Good quality, I think. Worked 5 seconds ago.
Only one fell down. Look at them. This is nuts, guys. Nuts. What are we doing with that? These are cool. Oh, the silver. Freaky looking things. Who made these? Best of... I can't even read that. It's the best of something. Oh, who's going to tell me you can read?
Best.
Best you put them in a bag. Exactly. That's what I said. Oh, there's Anastasia. We're showing them. We've got some cricket ones there. Not a lot of sport. Not a lot of sport ones. I think we've shown you pretty much what these are here. We've got some Olympic pin relay things. You remember when the 2000 Olympics? Got a couple of them. This was cool. He's going. Big plane. What have we got on here? These, I think these are cricket and rugby. Yeah, it's cricket. What's sort of, oh, it's got Zimbabwe, Australia, England, World Series cricket. Bit of age then. That's New South Rugby League, so that's before the NRL. See, it's got New South Wales Rugby League. These are cool. A couple of Bart cards, a bit of Simpson cards. There's another lot of Simpson ones somewhere. I don't know where they are. Buzz Lightyear. What's that? High on Action Sports. I don't know what that is. Okay, these are JPay. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's more Simpsons. Simpsons. Rookie cards. There's a bit of baseball. I don't know what that is. Power Rangers. Oh, yeah, there's a heap of Power Rangers. Didn't we have Power Rangers in boxes? I think there's still a box missing, eh?
Aren't they the ones that I bought?
Yeah, but we had Power Rangers in boxes as well, I thought.
Cards?
Yeah. Look at these Phantom cards.
Oh, yeah, they're the big ones.
Yeah. They need to go in a bag, too. What's this? Pillow Talk. What's going on here? Prismatic foil. God, I don't know about talking to her. Pop-up. Melvin Thomas. Get Caught. And also Thursdays. That's Johnny Howard. All right, well, that's interesting. Johnny Howard, I don't know, that hell is in bed with Pauline Hanson, maybe. All right, so that's basically the cards. Because that's enough, and I've been talking for enough. And so we're trying to get this done. We want to get onto the jewellery later as well. So we want to get onto the jewellery, the cosmetic jewellery, and we're going to put all that into little jars and stuff. And maybe put a bit of gold in one as like a, you know, like a little, ooh, there's a bit of gold in one. But we're not telling which one. And then they buy them. I think we'll put a bit of silver in each one too. And then just cosmetic jewellery that, you've seen it all outside. There's so much of it. Okay, we're going to leave that one here. And I'm going to help finish off these cards. Because it's 12 o'clock and we haven't done much. All right, see you guys.